may mga balita na nagkaroon ng clash or rambulan between two youth groups dyan sa may BGC area. Okay, public space ng BGC area. So imagine maraming tao, may mga pamilya, may mga bata, may mga taong gusto lang naman maglakad-lakad at mag-relax. So try to picture this. You are on your weekend stroll sa BGC. For example, sa High Street. Maybe you are just by yourself or with your family. You're taking selfie, taking pictures of the scenery, yung malaking TV dun sa High Street, pinipicturan mo. Tapos, may biglang nagrarambulan dyan sa tabi mo. Bigla na lang may mga nagsasapakan malapit sa'yo. Medyo nakakatakot, to be honest. Ba? Apart from that, there were also news na lumabas, though I can't verify if this is true or not, na there were teenagers, no, supposedly galing daw sa mga geng-geng at youngstana groups, no, na nanghaharas ng mga tao, especially foreigners, asking for money or whatnot. So, syempre, dahil may mga ganyang news na, security will definitely step in. Doon na pumasok yung heightened monitoring, stricter enforcement, and eventually, yung issue ng banning or pag-restrain sa mga certain groups na makapasok sa BGC. Now, some people say that this is a clear case of discrimination and that the BGC marshals are not right in banning these people. Some groups naman say na okay lang yan, tama lang yan, to keep the peace and safety ng lugar. So ang malaking tanong dito, is this discrimination or they are just implementing a stricter policy?